Welcome to the home of Houston's premier pressure washing and property maintenance company. We're glad you took a moment to stop by and watch our video. Everything that we do it with our clientele in mind every single time. We are Houston's leader in the pressure washing industry, using only the safest and most efficient methods and techniques. This allows us to provide the best solutions the marketplace has to offer for your home. Our expertise and experience allow us to choose, with confidence, cleaning solutions that are powerful enough to accomplish a job, yet mild enough to protect your property. Through the use of our state-of-the-art equipment, we're able to utilize steaming hot water and our soft washing techniques to get rid of any dirt and debris from your property without causing damage. We pride ourselves in being the premier choice for property maintenance such as house washing, driveway cleaning, roof washing, patio cleaning, and gutter cleaning. We service the entire greater Houston area, including Pearland, Sugarland, Katy, Memorial area, Upper Kirby, downtown, and more. Let our fully licensed and insured company give you a free consultation on how you can best protect your greatest investment. Give us a call today or visit us on our website. We hope to see you on the inside, and we can't wait to make your home look its best for you and your loved ones.